Hello beautiful people, the weather is cold and I believe you can attest to that, and I decided to make this pepper soup to keep you warm in this very cold weather. And you can take this pepper soup for dinner, for lunch, for breakfast, for whatever time of the day is just perfect. Okay, so guys, I would like you to stay with me so that you see how I was able to make this delicious and weather or body warming pepper soup. For this recipe, I'm using goat offals, okay, that is goat intestines. Okay, the first thing I did was to wash the intestines very well. Then I put it in a pot. I will go in with enough water. Whenever I'm cooking pepper soup or using these offals for anything, I always like to parboil it. The reason is that I want to be sure that all the dirt are out of it. Okay, I will just cover that, allow it to boil, then I will rewash it before I will start the cooking proper. If you have not been using this method to cook your offals or your pepper soup, I think you should give it a try, because this is the cleanest way you can actually clean the intestines. Okay, the next thing I will do now is to start seasoning this offals or intestines properly. So I'll go in with the onion, then I'll also go in with salt. Now I'll go in with the seasoning cube. Now I'll go in with the blended pepper, onions, ginger and garlic. Okay, I'm adding this much because the weather is cold, and you know it is pepper soup, but this is not too spicy though, but it's just okay for the weather. I'll give this a mix, a good mix. If you notice, I'm not adding water. I'll just cover this to steam together. I want all the seasoning to go in to the meat, okay, or to the offals very well before adding water. So after some minutes, I want to go in with the quantity of water that will be enough to cook this pepper soup. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my video, I welcome you to my channel. Right now I'm going in with the pepper soup spices. Okay, this is a game changer. This pepper soup spices is just the best. Look at this, it's bubbling very well. Our pepper soup is bubbling. Okay, like I said earlier, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, I welcome you to Benny Nice Kitchen. Please like, comment, share my video and subscribe. Be part of this community. Okay, right now I just went in with some plantain. You can use potatoes, whether Irish potato, sweet potato, yam or what have you. Or if you don't want to put any of those, you can just make your pepper soup. It's either you take it like that or you take it with rice. Okay, this is a perfect dinner. Okay, we had this for dinner and it was so delicious. Like, it was very delicious. Look at this now. So you can combine this pepper soup with anything you want to, but we just had it like this with plantain. So right now I'm going in with some scent leaf. If you cook pepper soup and you've not added scent leaf, I don't actually know how it tastes though, but pepper soup and scent leaf is just a perfect combo. Give this a good mix and our pepper soup is ready. To my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you. Thank you for keeping this channel on. Thank you for always watching my video. I believe you are enjoying my content here. If you have not liked my video, if you have not comment or share my video to your family and friends, please do so, and also do well to subscribe. Okay, this pepper soup tastes so amazing. Like, it will just make cold to vanish from your body. This is perfect for cold weather. Okay, are you going to be making this at home? Let me know in the comment section. Look at this now. This is deliciousness. Let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.